Welcome back guys. I don't want to waste your time, so all the chapters are available in the description, so you can skip to your favorite part. So we had a very important level of 1730 till 1680, and thanks to this guy that we have broken this support of more than 30 months. Now the real question is, what is the next support level? And I will start with 1625 over here. Why? Look at this, a lot of action around this number. Even if I zoom out, we see some good action over here, converting from resistance to support, then again resistance. So yeah, 1625 can be an important number. If we fail over here, then I have got roughly 1550 available over here. This is very important. Why? 200 moving average is available over here also, and as you know, this guy is really after the market, so we cannot ignore the possibility of 1550 over here. However, look at this guys, very important. RSI is sitting at 30.8. the last time we saw this RSI was 2018, and generally on the weekly RSI of 30 is rewarded well. Look at this over here. So we saw a pump over here also, we saw all this bull run over here. So you all can see we cannot ignore the current price level and the 1625 support we have on the weekly chart. Let's take a deeper look at the daily chart. Price is making a lower low continuously and RSI is staying flat. So yeah, bullish divergences have continuously been forming on gold. RSI sitting at 28.5, likes to go below 30. That is the region where you start to get rewarded on gold. Look at this one over here. Look at this one, big wick and then pump straight away. We are already in the zone, and if price goes to 1625, for sure we are in the zone. Cannot ignore the fact that this might be a good time to purchase, and hopefully in the likely event of a pump, we are going towards 1650, 1660, and then we are going 1680. These two can be first two targets considering the daily chart that we have over here. Before we move on to the 4-hour chart, guys, I would like to show you the comparison versus the dollar index. Look at this. So you all can see price likes to go the opposite direction of the dollar index. Dollar index going up, price going down. Dollar index going down, price going up. So you can see this huge pump in the dollar index, and that is why we went down from the all-time high. But guys, the important thing is dollar index might be running out of steam. Let's go to the dollar index. Look at the RSI level sitting at 77. Higher highs continuously, and then RSI is flat. So continuous bearish divergences are found. Some sort of correction or capitulation is needed over here. In case this decides to correct a little bit, maybe towards the 112, 111 mark, for sure we will see good performance on gold. That will give us the bounce we are looking for, 1625 towards the 1680, 1700 mark. Not only this guys, if I look at the US 2-year yield, which represents the short-term outlook on the interest rate, I can see 4.26 current level, which means the market has already factored in a 1% further increase this year, which is actually good and can give us some capitulation in this range, which will be good for the market. Something of this sort can happen, some capitulation, some correction. Let's head over back to gold on the 4-hour chart. On the RSI, I can see that below 25 is the region where it generally likes to bounce from. Look at this small bounce over here, then again small bounce over here. Even over here we see small bounce. So yeah, there is a possibility of another small bounce. First target again looking 1650 and then 1680. On the 4-hour, 50 moving average is also available on the 1680 levels, so that will be an important level. So yes, I am hoping for some sort of a bounce, given that market has aligned itself to the interest rate expectations, and the RSIs on the both dollar index and the gold are in very key ranges. I hope you guys have got your bags ready to catch this amazing opportunity. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Do you think gold will pump back to 1650, 1680, or you are expecting 1550 on gold, which is on the weekly chart, 200 moving average in the red over here. But once again, as you can see, markets are extremely volatile. If you are actively trading, please don't forget proper risk management, take profit, stop loss. Also, if you like this sort of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.